Most people believe affiliate marketing only works if you already have an audience, a big YouTube channel, thousands of Instagram followers, a blog with years of SEO behind it. And because they believe that, they never start. They look at the people earning commissions and assume those people had something they do not have, a head start, a platform, a following that took years to build. That belief is outdated, and in 2026 it is costing people real money. AI tools have collapsed the gap between someone with no platform and someone earning consistent commissions. The content that used to take weeks to research, write, and distribute can now be produced in hours. You do not need to build an audience first. You need to get your content in front of the right people at the right moment. And AI makes that possible for anyone willing to learn how. This video is going to show you exactly how. We are breaking down what affiliate marketing is, why the AI-powered approach is fundamentally different from the traditional model, and the specific steps to go from zero to your first commissions. No fluff, no vague inspiration, a real plan. Let us start with the foundation, because a fuzzy understanding of how affiliate marketing works is what causes most people to approach it the wrong way. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote someone else's product or service. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You never handle inventory. You never deal with customer service. You are essentially a referral engine. You connect buyers to products and get paid for making that connection. Commission rates vary enormously. Physical products through Amazon typically pay between 1 and 10%. Digital products, software, courses, memberships often pay between 20 and 50%. Some SaaS affiliate programs pay recurring commissions, meaning you earn every single month for as long as the customer you referred keeps paying. That last category is the one worth paying the most attention to, because it is where the compounding income lives. The traditional playbook says, build an audience for 12 to 18 months, earn their trust, then recommend products. That still works, but it is slow, and most people quit before seeing results. The AI-powered approach gets you there faster, not by cutting corners, but by creating high-quality targeted content at a speed that was simply not possible before. Here is the question that changes how you think about this entire strategy. Where are people who are about to buy something actually going to research that purchase? Some go to YouTube, some go to Google, but a massive and growing number go to Reddit, niche forums, Facebook groups, and Quora. They are looking for honest opinions and real comparisons, not polished marketing. That is the gap you are going to fill. And AI is going to help you fill it faster and at a higher quality than you ever could on your own. The first step is choosing the right niche and the right products, and this decision matters more than anything else. A good affiliate niche has 3 things. Genuine demand. Commissions worth the effort, which means digital products or recurring SaaS programs, rather than low-margin physical goods. And enough personal knowledge or interest to create content that is actually useful. You do not need to be a world-class expert. You need to know more than a beginner and be willing to research deeply. The highest performing niches right now include AI tools and software, personal finance tools, online business platforms, and productivity software, most of them with strong recurring commission structures. Pick 2 to 5 products with affiliate programs paying at least 20%, ideally recurring. Check their reviews. You are putting your credibility behind these recommendations, and a bad product destroys trust faster than anything else. The second step is using AI to create content that gets found and converts. Ask AI to help you understand the most common questions people have about your products. Ask it to identify the comparison searches people make when they are close to buying. Ask it to map the buyer journey from first awareness to purchase decision. This research used to take days. With AI, it takes hours. Then use it to create comparison articles, review posts, tutorial content, and FAQ pieces that answer the exact questions people type into Google the week before they buy. The AI drafts, you edit, you add genuine insight, and you publish. Marcus Webb had tried affiliate marketing twice before and quit both times because his content never got traffic. His third attempt was different. He used AI to research the project management software niche over one weekend, mapped out 40 content pieces targeting buying intent searches, drafted the first 10 with AI help, edited them himself, and published to both a blog and relevant Reddit communities. Within 60 days, 2 posts were ranking on page 1 of Google. Within 90 days, he had earned his first $800 in commissions. Same niche, completely different approach. The third step is distribution, and this is where most affiliate marketers leave the most money on the table. Reddit is one of the most powerful channels almost nobody uses correctly. Participate genuinely in relevant communities before sharing anything promotional. Answer questions. Be helpful. Build a presence people recognize as useful. Then when someone asks a question your content answers, share it as a natural resource. Reddit users have sharp radar for self-promotion, but respond extremely well to recommendations that feel earned. Quora works the same way. Write thorough answers to questions in your niche. Quora answers rank in Google, giving your content a second life in search without you needing to build domain authority from scratch. Pinterest is consistently underrated for niches like finance, productivity, and business tools. AI can help you write optimized pin descriptions and identify the keywords driving traffic in your space. The principle is the same across every channel. Find people already looking for information about the products you promote and make sure your helpful, honest content is there when they find it. The fourth step is building an email list from day one, even if it starts with 10 people. An email list is an audience you own. No algorithm can reach it. No platform can cut your access. Use a free tool like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Offer something genuinely useful in exchange for a subscription, and keep your emails helpful first and promotional second. AI can help you write your welcome sequence and newsletters in a fraction of the time it would normally take. The trust you build through email is the most durable asset in your entire affiliate business. The fifth step is analyzing what is working and doing more of it. Do not spread yourself thin across every platform at once. Start with 1 or 2 channels, measure which content is driving clicks and conversions, and put your energy into what is already working. Use your affiliate program analytics to see which products convert. Use Google Search Console to see which content gets found. The data tells you exactly where to focus next. Here is the truth worth sitting with before you close this video. Every month you wait, someone else is writing the comparison article your future buyers will find. Someone else is answering the Reddit question that would have sent a commission your way. Affiliate marketing is not winner takes all. There is room for multiple voices in every niche. But the people who start sooner build compounding advantages that grow harder to close over time. You do not need an audience. You need a niche, a handful of good products, AI-assisted content that helps people make better buying decisions, and the consistency to show up in the right places over the next 90 days. Your first commission is not years away. It is not even months away if you start this week. The only affiliate marketer who never earns anything is the one who never starts.